Did you know that having the right solar lantern on a camping trip could be the difference between struggling in the dark or lighting up your entire campsite with ease? Today, we're checking out the top 6 best solar lanterns for camping, comparing them head to head so you know exactly which one deserves a spot in your backpack. All the links are in the description, so make sure to check them out. Let's dive in. 6. Censinda LED Camping Lantern. The Censinda LED Camping Lantern is a budget-friendly pick that offers remarkable utility for its price. It has a clever collapsible design that allows it to transition instantly between a broad 360-degree lantern and a focused beam flashlight, maximizing its functionality while minimizing its footprint when packed. It's highly versatile, featuring both USB and solar recharging, ensuring you can always top up the battery whether you're near an outlet or deep in the backcountry. It even works as a power bank in emergencies, giving a crucial charge to your phone. Compared to pricier options, its total brightness output is moderate, and the solar charging panel is small, meaning its efficiency is limited and requires significant direct sun exposure. The pricing panel remains the same, but you get reduced sun exposure, perfect for those who want an affordable, no-fuss, multifunctional light for casual camping, quick utility tasks, or as a reliable backup light source for the home during an unexpected power outage. 5. DIBMS 2-pack folding solar lanterns. With the DIBMS 2-pack folding solar lanterns, you get 2 identical, fully functional units in one package, which already makes it a great deal for family campers or those who appreciate redundancy. Like the Censinda, each unit is highly portable, featuring a collapsible design that protects the light panel when stored and allows it to transition quickly into a standard flashlight mode. This one comes with a sturdy, integrated hanging hook, which is incredibly handy for suspending the light inside a tent or from a branch for area lighting. The power bank feature is slightly more reliable than the cheapest competitors, giving a dependable boost to small devices. While its total brightness is modest, similar to the Censinda, having 2 separate motion-stable units allows you to light up multiple areas of your campsite simultaneously. One for the cooking station and one for the tent. This dual-unit approach makes it a practical, highly flexible upgrade for families or anyone who wants a reliable, budget-friendly lighting and backup power solution without spending extra on individual units. 4. SAMUUN LED Camping Lantern. Now here's where things get powerful. The SAMUUN LED Camping Lantern packs a huge 2,000 lumen output and a large 5,000 mAh battery, making it one of the brightest and most enduring lighting options on the list. This raw power allows it to flood an entire campsite or large cabin with light, making it suitable for security or cooking tasks late at night. It is built for tough outdoor conditions, boasting IP65 waterproofing to resist rain and splashes, and the sturdy, non-compaxible housing ensures long-term durability. It features 5 distinct light modes, including a red light mode for preserving night vision and an SOS strobe for emergencies. It does lack the compact collapsible design of cheaper models, meaning it takes up more space in your pack. But if you need raw, unapologetic power, rock-solid construction, and massive battery capacity for prolonged off-grid stays, the SAMUUN easily outshines budget picks like Censinda and DIBMS, prioritizing illumination and toughness over minimal pack size. 3. LuminAID Inflatable Solar Lantern. If portability and sustainability are your absolute priority, the LuminAID Inflatable Solar Lantern is a game changer. This unique light is constructed from durable, flexible TPU material and inflatably expands into a cube for diffused area lighting. Once deflated, it weighs next to nothing and packs flat to the size of a few playing cards, making it the perfect companion for backpackers, through hikers, and travelers where space is critical. Completely waterproof and even floatable, making it ideal for paddle trips or pool parties. While it can't match the intense 2,000 lumen brightness of the SAMUUN, it makes up for it with incredibly gentle, widespread light distribution and dual charging options. The integrated, high-efficiency solar panel charges the unit quickly, providing reliable light for up to 24 hours on the lowest setting. Think of it as the minimalist lantern, ideal for ultralight campers who value space, sustainability, and a versatile light source that can survive any accidental dunking. 2. 6,000 mAh Solar Camping Lantern. This lantern is all about endurance and versatility, earning its near top spot through sheer utility. With a massive 6,000 mAh battery and an incredibly efficient LED system, it boasts up to 80 hours of continuous runtime on lower settings, making it purpose-built for multi-day trips and extended emergencies without needing frequent recharging. It's bright, fully dimmable via a smooth rotary dial, and offers both USB and solar recharging, ensuring maximum flexibility in energy retrieval. Furthermore, it easily doubles as a serious power bank, capable of fully recharging multiple smartphones. Compared to the lightweight LuminAID, it's significantly bulkier and less portable, but it easily beats it in raw battery runtime, total utility, and charging capability. This one's perfect for overlanders, car campers, emergency preparedness kits, or anyone who values a dependable, long-lasting power source with excellent illumination over minimal pack size. Its robust construction and extensive battery life provide the ultimate peace of mind. 1. XTA Collapsible 4-pack Solar Lanterns. The XTAUTO Collapsible 4-pack Solar Lanterns offers unbeatable value and practicality. This package provides 4 distinct, fully functional lighting units at a price point that often rivals a single premium lantern. Each individual lantern is lightweight, features a clever collapsible design for protection and portability, and doubles as both a broad lantern and a focused flashlight, offering 360-degree illumination. Every unit includes both solar and USB charging capabilities built in, meaning you can efficiently charge them all simultaneously using either a central power source or scattered sunlight. While these individual units can't compete with the SAMUUN or 6,000 mAh lantern in terms of maximum brightness, having 4 separate units means you can equip your whole family, light up 4 different tents, or confidently stash one in every car and emergency kit. It's not about sheer power in a single unit, it's about quantity, redundancy, and maximum practicality for comprehensive, cost-efficient lighting coverage across a wide area. So, which one's the winner? After comparing them all, the 6,000 mAh Solar Camping Lantern takes the crown. It delivers the best balance of brightness, exceptional runtime, up to 80 hours, durability, and charging versatility, making it the most reliable all-around option for both extended camping trips and critical emergency preparedness. Would you go for raw power, ultra portability, or unbeatable value? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget, all the links are in the description. Smash that like button, share with fellow campers, and subscribe for more gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy camping.